show me first and then I can imagine you. Like drifting. Drifting is so much so fantasizing. Fantasizing me in his dream. O, diba? Show me first. And show me also my visa. And my visa, it should be written on my name. To be sure that I am, ano nga ba? Paano ba sabihin? To be sure that I am the one that you are inviting to come with you over there. Parang pagod yung dila ko ba? Sa kakasal.